All right, guys, in today's vlog, I'm going to be walking you through a nap time chronicle. So my little one is finally down for a nap. And, this year I really want to focus on becoming her, which is my ideal version of myself. And in this vlog, I'm going to be telling you my story of becoming her. And part of that was becoming a mama. And as you can see, my house needs a little TLC. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone. First, I'm going to tell you about my friends over at Jeulia who are helping me celebrate my very first Mother's Day and tell the story of becoming her. So my friends, Jeulia has a sale going on, and if you use the code HeyJY15, you're going to get 15% off your purchase. Now, my story of motherhood is a long one, but I'm so happy to say I made it here. So this is my first little girl, and I just wanted to celebrate this with pieces of jewelry that would remind those that we love about her. So my first piece is this one, and this is actually for me. I got it in gold with pink because I feel like my daughter gave me my pink back, and that's a big part of becoming her. I want to stop taking life so seriously and just enjoy the moments and girlhood and just being a woman. And I got it engraved with mama and her birthday. The next piece I got is for my husband, and this is actually for both me and my daughter because both of our birthstones are amethyst. We're February babies, and I got it engraved with my daughter's birthday and dad for my husband. And this is for him because he has helped me so much becoming her, just supporting everything I do and being there for me through literally the toughest experience of my life when it came to her birth. Now, the next item is for my mother, and this one, again, you see the double purple because me and my daughter, you get me, you get me. So this one says Gma and my daughter's birthday, and it's for her to just have this connection to her first grandchild and her youngest daughter. I thought she'd love it, and I feel like it's such a good representation for my mom to see, and all of the support and just modeling she showed me of becoming her. And these last earrings are for my mother-in-law, and that's because she has helped me along my way of becoming her as well, and she's going to be helping me for the rest of my life learning Spanish and just teaching my daughter to become the kind of woman that I want her to be as well. So make sure you guys shop Jeulia's Mother's Day sale and help yourself to becoming her this year. All right, guys, so we're going to set our timer and we're going to get down to business. To be honest, I want this vlog to be a bit of a body double vlog. So if you guys have things you need to clean or get done, go ahead, get up, leave me on in the background, girly, and let's get things done. Number one, I'm emptying the dishwasher. Now, trust me, I do not get to do this all the time, y'all, but she's napping. I have a break at work because, as you guys know, I work a 9 to 5 and I work remote, which means I'm in home. So it makes it a little bit easier, but also a little bit more hectic because I'm kind of available at all times for her, but then also kind of not. It's a very interesting dynamic, and I am so blessed that my husband got to have some time off work. And also I have my brother, my sister-in-law, my sister-in-law's parents, like my parents, my husband's parents, all these people that can come and help us anytime that we really need it. So for now, we're working with the schedule we got. But yeah, we do have a lot of options for help, thank goodness. But for me, I just felt like this was the time to get things done. So I wanted to get my dishwasher unloaded and really focus on deep cleaning my kitchen because I had a really rough pregnancy in that last third trimester. So I was not able to clean very much or do a lot, which means a lot fell on my husband. So I wanted to get this done and let him relax. Mama is looking rough. Please ignore it, girl. We are going to be doing a whole mommy makeover very soon. Now that I'm almost 3 months postpartum, my energy, things are coming back. A lot happened. Don't worry, we're going to do a whole sit down video. But just know I suffered with preeclampsia, cholestasis, and gestational diabetes and ended up with an emergency C-section after 30 hours of labor. So I'm telling you guys, becoming her was a struggle. Okay. And I'm still on my way to get there. But one part of becoming her and becoming the person I envision being is when she gets free time, she's not just going to be sitting on the couch, laying in bed, just kind of wallowing in how tired she feels or how, not in the mood she feels to do things. The person that I want to be gets up and is happy and grateful that they're blessed enough to have these items to need to be cleaned and have a beautiful home and a baby and a husband and family and a 9 to 5 job that allows them to be at home with their baby and watch a little YouTube video and clean their house on their break instead of having to run around like I used to and commute 2 hours in traffic. This in itself is a blessing. So I really wanted to just take my time and clean and kind of just think about that. And when we talk about becoming her, I want to make it very clear. It's not just a external thing, or it's not just going to be me being like, oh, you have to clean your house. No, becoming her, I feel like, is a whole body, mind, spiritual, everything. And I'm going to be taking you guys on this journey with me. But the first thing I needed to do was clean my house, which is why we're starting here. Okay. But that doesn't mean it's going to be all that it is. But part of becoming her, I feel like, is having respect and gratitude for your space. I've noticed a lot of women talking about this, and I just feel like it's something that I could really practice. I know during pregnancy, I had a hard time, and I just felt like I didn't have the energy and I didn't feel like it. And that's okay, right? We give ourselves grace. But now that I'm feeling better, I think it's time that I get up and do better. And that's why I really wanted to get into the cleaning. So as you guys can see, I'm like scrubbing my dishes down with my little scrub mommy, and I do not play. I'm also watching Jada Hope. Do any of you guys watch her? She talks about like catfish and Help, I'm in a Secret Relationship, and a bunch of other shows. And I just like love her channel. Shout out to Another Black Queen. Okay, if you guys haven't watched her, go give Jada Hope some love, because I love her channel and I love her catfish videos. I'm obsessed with catfish. I love that TV show. I've watched it since the day it came out. Okay, like your girl is 32. All right, I watched it since the day it came out, so I love it. But as you guys can see, these dishes are crazy, so I have to keep going because we had a lot. We've also been meal prepping, and I love it. I meal prep on Monday or Sunday, depending on my work schedule for the week. And I cook all of our meals for the week, so me and my husband can just go in the fridge, heat up what we want to heat up, pack up lunches. It has just made life substantially easier. So if you guys want a whole video on our meal prep routine, I'm not gonna lie, we also have the Blackstone. So let me just tell you, having a Blackstone has upgraded my meal prep times 5 billion. Okay, I used to meal prep in Alaska before we had the Blackstone, and I ate it up, I cooked, I did good. Okay, but with the Blackstone, baby, with the Blackstone, the upgrade is crazy. Okay, the upgrade is crazy. So if you guys want to know how I meal prep and everything, let your girl know, and I will. I also want to talk to you guys about like budgeting and stuff, because I feel like that's part of becoming her. Just like managing your house. I don't know, I feel like it's a lot. I've been considering getting one of those skylight calendars, but like, go to Expansive. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're like $200 something, even the one that was on sale at like Costco. And so I kind of wonder, I don't know, tell me in the comments down below, do you guys have one? Do you feel like it's really worth it? We have one baby. We plan to have plenty more, but of course, because I had a C-section, we have to wait. Because I honestly plan to have my babies back to back to back. Girl, I was trying to be pregnant at that 6-week check-in. You feel me? That was not the case at all for me. Okay. I will be waiting a solid year after my first to get pregnant again, because the C-section was C-sectioning, girl. I don't know what else to say. We're gonna talk about it in a video, but it's a lot. Recovery is hard, and yeah, it's a journey, and I'm in physical therapy and everything for it. So yeah, definitely gonna be waiting until I am medically cleared to try and have another one. But I still feel like the skylight calendar can be useful, because I have a lot of doctor's appointments postpartum because of the preeclampsia. I ended up with preeclampsia with very severe features. Yeah. So I was hospitalized twice after birth because of preeclampsia. Yeah, sucked. So my daughter was almost a month old the last time I was hospitalized. Yeah, and I had to see my doctor every single week for a month. It's just been a lot, you guys. Everything is finally calming down. Hence why you guys are finally getting some videos back. So yeah, I just feel like I would like a skylight calendar to keep us all on track with my doctor's appointments, my work schedule, my daughter's doctor's appointments, my husband's work schedule, like just kind of have a hub for all of us. But then I'm also considering doing just like a Google Calendar and making our family like a Google email account for when my daughter gets in school or for any activities for her. So I don't know. Tell me how you guys manage your houses. Like, I'm a first time mom, I'm a new mama, and I just kind of want all the tea on how you guys handle it and just, you know, do your thing as a mom. Okay, because I also think part of becoming her is finding your tribe that matches your vibe, just having a community of women who want to help each other and encourage each other. And that's what I really want on this channel. You don't have to be a mama. You can just be a woman that wants to support another woman, girls supporting girls, peak girlhood, all of the things. I love it. My best friends came down for my daughter's sip and see, and it was just so fun to just be like goofy and foolish together and laugh and watch stupid movies and just be dumb and just have girlhood. So I definitely want to embrace that and have more of it in my day-to-day life, and also bring that energy to you guys. By the way, speaking of girlhood, because you know we do not gatekeep. If you guys have not used the what's it called? Like the scrub paste, I guess, from Scrub Daddy. Girl, get on that. Get on that. Okay, you can see that's what I'm scrubbing my counters with, as well as my stovetop, and oh my god, does it get the grease and nasties off. I will say, I think you need to spray with like water after, or maybe wash with Dawn dish soap, because I noticed it did leave a little bit of some streakies behind, like a little residue, I guess, from it on my stovetop. But I also think it's because my stovetop is black, so like there was no texture to it. It just didn't look as like bright black as it could have. So I ended up wiping it down with water after this video, because I noticed it when I went to cook later in the evening. So just a little side note. But yeah, anywho, girly pops, just, you know, bringing girlhood vibes and love and appreciation for all of you guys. That's kind of the vibe I want to bring to the channel. So expect to see more of these vlogs fit in, you know, how I get in. Okay, girl, they're not going to be all perfectly filmed. Some of them are going to be like this. And let me know if you guys like these kind of vlogs. I love body double vlogs where someone's cleaning or doing a task and then they just like talk, and I feel like I'm hanging out with someone doing something I don't want to do. So yeah, let me know if you guys like it, and then I will make you guys more videos like this. But this Scrub Daddy scrub paste did my whole kitchen, and let me tell you, it leaves your house smelling so fresh and clean. It's like a lemony scent, so if you're sensitive to scents, or if you're trying to be careful with scents, we have a little one, so you know, girl, you know I love my Fabuloso, and she gonna be all right, okay? But I will say I have been a little bit more sensitive with scents, you know, just keeping it calm, and I feel like this one smells so good with the lemon, and then I used the pineapple Fabuloso this time. My house was smelling good, girl. It was smelling nice and fresh and clean and summery and just all the things, girly. That's what's in that spray bottle. It's just the pineapple Fabuloso. I just put it in a cute spray bottle, and girl, I get on where I fit in. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you guys are looking at my kitchen, I love my kitchen, but I also hate my kitchen. We might be remodeling it, so that'll be a whole other experience coming. But yeah, last things I want to say, thank you guys so much for watching, supporting the channel. I cannot wait to share my birth story with you guys. I honestly have been avoiding sharing it because it's a lot. So, you know, you're going to need a little matcha, a little cup of coffee, a little something for this one, girl, okay? But now that my floors are almost clean and this vlog is almost done, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mamas that watch my channel. You are all loved and appreciated, and just happy being a woman to all of you who aren't mamas, okay? And that includes the fur mama, the puppy mamas. I call y'all mamas too, because I was a mama when I just had dogs, and I'm still a mama now that I have a baby. So yeah, okay? I love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!